This is an aerial flood warning, issued at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flood warning now in effect until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues. Areas affected include northeast Kentucky, including the following counties: Greenup, and southeast Ohio, including the following counties: Lawrence. The hazardous weather can be expected until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: flooding of small rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Low water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details: at 5:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, continued runoff has resulted in lingering high water across the area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ashland, Ironton, Coal Grove, Chesapeake, Lake Vesuvius, Greenup, Road, Letitia, Flatwoods, South Point, Russell, Vernon, Waterloo, Raceland, Worthington, Portland, Ade, Hanging Rock, and Petrel. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, the aerial flood warning has been extended until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, following counties: Greenup, Kentucky, and Lawrence, Ohio.